In the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding the right food storage solution can make a significant difference. The Durahome food storage containers with lids present an innovative and practical answer to all your storage needs. In this review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and reasons why these containers deserve a spot in your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unveiling the Durahome Combo Pack. The Durahome Combo Pack offers a generous set of 44 plastic food storage containers and matching lids, ensuring you have the perfect size for every storage requirement. With 3 sizes 8 Oz, 16 Oz, and 32 Oz, this combo pack is versatile enough to accommodate your diverse culinary creations. See-through convenience. One standout feature is the crystal clear design of these containers. The transparency allows you to effortlessly identify the contents, eliminating the need to play the guessing game when searching for specific items in the refrigerator or pantry. Airtight seal for freshness. Say goodbye to spills and leaks with the Durahome container's tight sealing lids. The airtight design ensures that your food stays fresh for longer, making these containers an excellent choice for storing soups, condiments, sauces, salads, and more. The lids are also interchangeable between sizes, adding to the convenience. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher friendly. Versatility is key, and Durahome understands that. These containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe top rack. From reheating leftovers to storing prepped meals for the week, these containers can handle it all. Beyond the kitchen. While these containers are ideal for food storage, their uses extend beyond the kitchen. Perfect for organizing office supplies, storing toys, or even creating your own DIY slime station, these containers prove to be versatile companions in various aspects of your life. Durable and safe. Crafted from high-quality 100% food-grade BPA-free polypropylene, these containers prioritize your health and safety. The sturdy, heavy-duty design ensures they can withstand everyday use and freezing temperatures for extended periods without compromising on quality. The eco-friendly choice. Embrace a more sustainable lifestyle with Durahome's reusable containers. As a great lightweight alternative to glass containers, you'll reduce your environmental footprint while enjoying the convenience of reliable food storage. Perfect for every occasion. Whether you're meal prepping, portion controlling, or catering an event, the Durahome food storage containers rise to the occasion. Their practical design makes them a favorite for lunch boxes, separating meal components, and even for travel. Manufacturer's guarantee. Durahome stands by the quality of its products. If, for any reason, you aren't 100% satisfied or encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to assist. Your satisfaction is their priority. Ready to declutter your kitchen and simplify your life? The Durahome food storage containers are the ultimate solution. With their durable design, versatile sizes, and airtight seals, these containers are more than just storage, they're a lifestyle upgrade. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your kitchen organization. Invest in the Durahome Combo Pack today and experience the difference firsthand. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this.